The mother carried her baby in a baby carrier. She was letting her baby see the world. The woman carried a pile of books. She was going to the library. The husband carried his wife along the beach. The cyclists carried the bicycles on their shoulders. The man carried a stack of boxes. It was very heavy. The bank robber carried a sack full of money. He robbed a bank. Santa Claus carried a sack full of presents. It was Christmas Eve. The women carried shopping bags. They went shopping yesterday. The couple carried the sofa. They wanted to put it somewhere else in the room. The father carried his son on his shoulders. The soldier carried his wounded comrade on his shoulder. The man carried an elephant on his back. The golfer carried the golf clubs in his golf bag. The groom carried the bride out of the church. The builder carried the wooden plank on his shoulder. The removal men carried the sofa into the house. The delivery men carried the boxes to the delivery address. The woman carried the food shopping all the way from the supermarket to her house. The woman carried the food waste to the waste bin. The man carried a house up the stairs. The cable car carried the people up the mountain. The chairlift carried the skiers up the mountain. The cable car carried the passengers over the mountain. The woman carried a basket of cherries in the Italian countryside. The female surfer carried the surfboard to the ocean. The woman in the white shirt carried the heavy box up the stairs. The traveler carried the yellow duffel bag to the airport. The delivery men carried the white refrigerator up the flight of stairs. The pupils carried out a science experiment in class. The tow truck carried the red car to the garage to be repaired. The man carried the burden of the past and the future on his back. He carried fear with him wherever he went. Time to throw it away and be fearless. The backpacker carried a big backpack when he was traveling around Europe. The drones carried the cargo to the destination. The coffin bearer carried the coffin at the funeral. The woman carried the laundry to the washing machine. The shopper carried the shopping basket at the supermarket. The waiter carried 3 glasses of wine on the serving tray. The researcher carried out scientific research in the lab.